Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm making a video in English for a change. Most of these are in Finnish, so what a perfect way to learn Finnish. Well, anyway, it's been raining for quite a few days. It's autumn here in Finland and the tracks are slippery and wet. This one is quite technical track with a lot of roots and stones and hills up and down, tight corners, more tight corners, and all that sort of thing. So I'm training for the next race, which is in a few weeks, and it's going to be just like this: slippery, wet, wet, slippery. Very difficult, and if you can't maintain the stability, balance and speed, it's going to be very, very tiring and rough race. So slippery it is today. I'm splashing a lot of water and hopefully getting some nice footage from beside the track. I don't have a cameraman here, it's just me and my old GoPro. So off to the track then. Oh, hello. That's about alone in the woods and all that. Myrsky repi puita taivasta lamoin. I've been riding for about an hour and a half and I'm getting a bit tired for all the repeats and lifting the bike and all that. Funny thing about training with the camera on while shooting these vids is that if I place the camera on a certain corner or a hill or anything like that, I do a lot more of passes than I would normally on training. So I ride that corner or hill or anything time and time over and over. So I wouldn't normally do that. So it's kind of the training is a bit different. And without the camera, I would just go around the track for about half an hour, or just try to do a couple of fast tracks or just one fast track, but I wouldn't stop and turn around and do that corner or the hill or anything like that time and time over and over again. So I think this is good way to train, and I'm all alone here in the woods, so it's not that dangerous than trying to get the best time out of that track. It's kind of two flies with a one shot, or birds. Here in Finland it's two flies with one swat. I think it's in English two birds with a one shot, two migs with a one missile. Well, anything like that. So I think I'll do just one more shot from a straight. It's not that fast straight, not that long, but it's the longest straight on this track. It's wet, it's slippery, and I think I'll give it one more push and try to get the revs up and get some nice shots and maintain the wheels towards the planet. I think that's quite enough for today. What a perfect timing. It started to rain again. I'm calling it a day. It was a very good training session once again. And just remember, this is not for the faint of heart. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. I'm thanking you already. It's helping me a lot. So until next time, bye.